Hello friends, let me introduce you the comparison of traditional tank electric water heater with our new type hot water bathroom cabinet. Because this one is a very large tank mounted on wall. If with water inside, it's very heavy, up to 100 kg almost. So it's very heavy. If I'm keeping shower here, it's not so comfortable and feel unsafe. And here, different pipes is not so beauty, very ugly, I think. And also here, connection with it. So it's very full. This kind of design of the large tank just on your head, not so good. So turn to our new type. Have a look. How do you like this kind of design? Yeah, it is with a heater inside. Just have a look. Cold water inlet, hot water outlet from the cabinet inside. A hot water heater, also tank, 60 liters, and the air switch also at the side. All these pipes and the wires are inside, not showing outside. And also we can have some stuff here in the cabinet. And this kind of design with a mirror and the side with a very simple type shower set. So comparison with this one, which one do you like? Yeah, I prefer this one. Okay,